Guys, oh, nindot kayo nga tanong guys, oh, fig tree. And another term is called fiddle leaf. Fiddle leaf. Very nice guys. Hala, may bunga na siya guys. Oh, siya bunga guys. Very nice. Ang interior ba yan siya guys, oh. Oh. Guys, another one guys, oh. Oh, very beautiful. Very nice. Oh, another one guys. Oh, wow, ang bunga guys. Oh, medyo ano na, dark na yung bunga. Very nice. Wow. Beautiful. Wow, another one guys. Oh, maraming bunga. Dark na ang bunga niya. Oh, ang bunga guys. Very nice. Thank you for watching guys.